Hey everybody, today we're going to do a chicken cordon bleu casserole, and if you hear a bunch of noise in the background, just ignore that. That's my husband. He's working on our house. We need to go ahead and start our sauce first, so I'm going to go ahead and start that for you, and then I'll show you what to do from there. You need to take 6 ounces of cream cheese and soften it and put it in a bowl. The recipe calls for 4 ounces of butter melted, which is a whole stick, but I've only did a half, so we're going to try it that way because that's a lot of butter. So I've already melted it. We'll combine it with cream cheese. Okay, so I literally added the last tablespoon of Dijon mustard that I had, so luckily I had enough. Let me see. We also need to add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. There's 1 and 2. Okay. I'll try to whisk this together. Now I noticed that the chicken, I boiled the chicken and already chopped it. Notice it's a little bit dry. The author of the recipe says to add a little bit of chicken broth to this because it's already not looking like she said it would. I mean, for it to be a sauce, it shouldn't be clumpy. So I have some right here. So I'm gonna add a little bit, try to thin this out. I don't know if it's gonna help it, but we'll see. She also calls for a tablespoon of white wine, but that's optional, and I don't have any, so that, you know, I'm not gonna do that. Okay. All right. Now, all right. So to catch you up, so far, this is the sauce for a chicken cordon bleu casserole. This is some butter, cream cheese, Dijon mustard, lemon juice, and then at this moment you can put a little bit of salt in it if you want to. I'm just gonna wait and let everybody do that when they get it on their plates. Okay, so let me switch gears here. You need to get a 9x13 casserole dish and take your chicken, shredded chicken or chopped, whichever, and it could be rotisserie or you can make some chicken breast, which is what I did. I would probably do rotisserie now looking back because this right here is very dry, so I'm a little bit concerned about what this is going to be like. And this is about 6 chicken breasts, but they were small. Okay, all right. And then I just took some ham luncheon meat that I had and chopped up, and it's about 6 ounces, but you could do any type of ham that you've got. Just chop it up, and my oven is preheated to 350 and it's ready to go. And we're probably going to serve this over rice cauliflower because my husband's trying to cut back on carbs. So you could probably do it on mashed potatoes by itself or over just plain rice. That would probably work. Alright, now we got all that ready to go. Let me get this sauce. Let's see how we're going to do this. So now what we're supposed to do is put this sauce over everything. A little bit concerned with it being so lumpy, but hopefully in the oven it'll, you know, thin out. I probably would have made double sauce, which the author says to do, but I was out of Dijon mustard, and I think that's like one of the key components of this dish. You have to have Dijon mustard, or it's just not going to be the same. So just kind of lightly smear it everywhere. Okay, now for the last thing before it goes into the oven, I got Swiss cheese. Okay, so the last little bit before it has to go into the oven is the Swiss cheese on top. So I say, it says 5 ounces. I don't even know how much this is. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna do it how I want to. Lay them out, kind of overlap them just a little bit, about 1/3 of the way. I'm sorry for the noise, y'all. Okay, let's see how much that ended up being. Okay, so that's 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 slices of Swiss cheese. You never tried this before, so we'll see how it goes. But that's it. It says to bake for 30 to 40 minutes until hot, and I think I'm gonna put some foil over it just to help keep that sauce and cheese from burning. So if I were you, I would cover it, and then maybe the last 10 minutes or so, uncover it and check and see how it is. All right, I'll see y'all back in here in a second. Okay, y'all, this is done. It looks really good. I'm gonna try to get it out without just rolling it. I'm probably gonna destroy it anyway. So, like I said, you can serve it just like it is, or over rice, or noodles, or potatoes. Rice cauliflower. Looks really good. And it was really quick once I figured out the measurements on it. They're a little bit odd. But if you have any trouble doing it, just message me down below and I can try to help. Alright, y'all, that's it for today. See you next time.